In this edition of Azure Tips and Tricks, you'll learn how to use keyboard shortcuts in the Azure portal. As a developer, I love using keyboard shortcuts because they allow me to quickly move around my environment without having to take my hands off of the keyboard and grab onto the mouse. Let's take a look at some shortcuts that are available for you here inside of the Azure portal. First up, let's say we want to create a new resource. I can start off by typing GN. And what that will do is it'll open up the new section where I could search through the marketplace and select the resource that I'm interested in creating. Now, after we've created our resource, let's say we want to go back to the dashboard. I could type GD. And here we are back at the dashboard where we originally started. Another thing we might want to do is see all of the resources that we've created previously. I could type GA. And notice that this takes us to the All Resources section. Here, I could filter by name, by subscription, and even by location. I'm going to type GD, and I want to go back to the dashboard. Now, another thing we might want to do is search. So what I could do is I could type G / and notice that our cursor has been put in the search bar in the top navigation. Not only can I search for my resources, but I could also search for services. I could search for templates inside of the marketplace, and I could also search and find documentation based on the search terms that we've put in. If you're interested in learning more about the different shortcuts that are available, you can go to the Help section in the top right corner, and then you can click on Keyboard Shortcuts. And now a section will open up showing you all of the various shortcuts that are available for you to use here inside of the Azure portal.